بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome again to our book. Today we are in the second part of page 35. طيب, let's jump into it. So we have the first one. E, ro, iro, iro. Sa, I, sa, I, sa, I. Ya, sha, yasha, yasha. طيب, this is not dal. Please be careful. It has two dots below. طيب, and it's joined. If it was a dal or a dal, it would have been a non-connector. This is connecting, so it's ya, sha, yasha. Mi, na, mina, mina. Ha, bi, habi, habi. Ra, bi, rabi, rabi. La, bi, labi, labi. Thi, qa, thiqa, thiqa, thiqa. Mi, ta, mita, mita. Ba, da, bada, bada. Ya, ti, yati, yati. Sa, ba, saba, saba. Ha, zi, hazi, hazi. Qi, ba, qiba, qiba. Wa, ti, wati, wati. Ya, i, ya'i, ya'i. La, qi, laqi, laqi. Ki, ma, kima, kima. Ra, fi, rafi, rafi, rafi. I, wa, iwa, iwa, iwa. طيب, let's read it from the beginning until the end one more time. Ira, ira. Sa'i, sa'i. Yasha, yasha. Mina, mina. Habi, habi. Rabi, rabi. Labi, labi. Thiqa, thiqa. Mita, mita. Bada, bada. Yati, yati. Saba, saba. Hazi, hazi. Qiba, qiba. Wati, wati. Ya'i, ya'i. Laqi, laqi. Kima, kima. Rafi, rafi. Iwa, iwa. طيب, now let's read the final part. Ira, sa'i, yasha, mina, habi, rabi, labi, thiqa, mita, bada, yati, saba, hazi, qiba, wati, ya'i, laqi, kima, rafi, iwa. That is how you're supposed to be reading it. Inshallah, if you've not understood, watch it one more time until you feel that you are comfortable and it's easy like that. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next page, page 36. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share with the other people. Also, hit the like button. Inshallah, ma'a salama. Thank you for watching.